Question number 6. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that sine 2a, sine 2b and sine 2c is equal to 4 sine a, sine b and sine c. This is different type of question. On previous video you seen here sine a, sine b and sine c is there, but here I brought for you sine 2a. This is different pattern. So this one is part 2 and part 1 from question number 1 to 5 already provided. Now look at here how to solve this. Here what is given? Condition is given here, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Here a plus b plus c is equal to pi. On my previous video you seen here was a by 2, b by 2, c by 2, so I divided here by 2, but you can see in RHS here is a, b, c, so it means no need to multiply, no need to divide by 2. So we can write here a plus b is equal to pi minus c. After this we have to take sine both side and cos both side. Taking sine both side, it means sine a plus b is equal to sine pi minus c. Sine pi minus c, pi means no need to change and pi minus c means second quadrant. In second quadrant sine always positive, so we can write here sine c. Similarly, when you take here cos both side, cos a plus b is equal to cos pi minus c. Pi means 180, 180 means no need to change, and pi minus c means second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, so we can write here minus cos c. Hope you understand this condition. After this we have to take LHS. In LHS what is here? Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Now you have to take only two terms and we have to use formula of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. If you don't know the formula, I was already uploaded formula video of trigonometry. You can go on the playlist of formula and you can see the complete formula of trigonometry. Now here we are going to use the formula of sin c plus sin d. And the formula is 2 sine c plus d, 2a plus 2b, c means 2a, b means 2b, 2a plus 2b by 2 cos c minus d, 2a minus 2b by 2. C and d, sine c plus sine d, 2 sine c plus d by 2, c means 2a, d means 2b, and cos c minus d by 2. And this one sine 2c formula is 2 sine c cos c. Formula of sine 2c is 2 sine c cos c. Now 2 sine, when you take here 2 common, what is remaining here? A plus b by 2, 2 to cancel. Similarly cos, taking 2 common, remaining a minus b by 2, here also 2 cancel, plus 2 sine c cos c. Hope you understand up to here. And after this 2 sine a plus b cos a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c. Now you can see what is the value of sine a plus b. Sine a plus b we found already here. Sine a plus b is sine c and cos a plus means minus cos c, but here we have to put the value of sine a plus b, and the value of sine a plus b is sine c. So in the place of sine a plus b we have to write down sine c. It means 2 sine c cos a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c. Now you can take here common, and the common is 2 sine c, 2 sine c, so we can take here common 2 sine c, and the remainings are cos a minus b plus cos c. Now you can see once again here cos c, we have to put the value of cos c. And what is the value of cos c here? Cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is equal to minus cos c. It means cos c is equal to what? We have to write minus cos a plus b. Cos c is equal to, now you can write here 2 sine c, here cos a minus b, cos c, the value of cos c is minus cos a plus b, so we can write here minus cos a plus b. You can see here this is in the form of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. This is in the form of cos c minus cos d. 2 sine cos c minus cos d, we have to use formula. And what is the formula of cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. So you can use here 2 sine c and cos c minus cos d formula, 2 sine a minus b C plus D, A plus B by 2 sine C minus D means A minus B minus A plus B by 2. It is also minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. So we can write here 2 sine C minus 2 sine B and B cancel, A plus A, 2A by 2. Similarly this side, A and A cancel, minus B, it will be minus 2B by 2. Here is minus into B, minus 2B. Okay, 2 sine C minus 2 sine, 2 and 2 cancel, A, 2 and 2 cancel, sine minus B. Minus sine minus B means minus sine B. So this minus and this minus, it will be plus 2 into 2, 4 sine A, sine B, sine C. We have to prove 4 sine A, sine B, sine C, which is here RHS proof. Hope you understand this question number 6. Now